Good Friday morning, boys and girls. It's Friday! Yeah! That makes me so happy! Yay! Okay, enough goofing around. Today we're talking about frames and arrows and the routines that we use to talk about these. So today you're going to learn how to use addition or subtraction to come up with number sequences as you fill in these frames and arrows. All this is just fancy talk for you're going to fill in frames and arrows. Well, let's think about patterns for a second. Okay? Here's a couple of patterns. I want you guys to think about what comes next. Okay, so let's look here. Think about this. I have a rectangle. Rectangle stays the same. What's changing is the dot. The dot starts here at the top, then it moves down over to here, then it moves over to here. So in here, what will I have? I might have, obviously I'm still going to have, I'll draw it up here. I'm still going to have a rectangle, and my dot will have moved up to the top, right? This bottom one's a little bit trickier, okay? This bottom one I have a triangle, then I have a square, and I have a pentagon. Well, what's happening here? What would come next? Do I just pick a random shape? Well, I haven't done a circle yet. Could it be a circle? I haven't done a trapezoid yet. Could it be a trapezoid? No. Actually, we got to look at the number of sides. This has 1, 2, 3 sides. This has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Now, are you getting it? Yeah, we would draw a hexagon. Okay, so if I zoom in here, I would draw a hexagon. Hexagon goes like this, then like this, like this. This. Oh, that's kind of a sloppy one. But it's a hexagon. Hexagons have 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All done. That's just thinking about patterns and what comes next. I said we're going to be working with frames and arrows. I'm going to show you here on the next page what a frame and arrow looks like. They get their name because you have frames, which are these things. These are the frames. Those are the spots where the numbers will be going. And then I also have my arrows. My arrows, sorry, I'm just trying to get a new color here. Oh, pink. My arrows are the arrows. Duh, right? Those are my arrows. Then the most important part is I have a rule. So my rule is every time I see one of these arrows, I have to apply my rule. In this case, my rule is to add 2. So I'm going to start at 5, and then when I move on this arrow over here, I'm going to add 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. And I'm going to keep going. 2 more is 9. 9, 2 more is 11. 2 more, 13, 2 more, 15. I'm all done. Okay? Sometimes, and in the next one, you're going to see the answers pop in there, but times they're going to give you a number to start with. They're going to start with a 20. Okay? So let's pretend that you didn't see those answers in there, that they just look like this. Psh, go away. Psh, 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 bye-bye. Okay? So now you should be able to know that, okay, well, I can count by 20s if I can count by 5s, I'm sorry, because my rule is to add 5. If I count by 5s, that's pretty easy. 5 more is, oh, come on. Undo. That was way too jumbo. 25, and 5 more is 30. Well, how do I know what happened back here? Well, if I go the opposite way of the arrow, I have to do the opposite of my rule. And the opposite of add 5 is subtract 5. So then I can just go backwards. Backwards from 25, I would go down to 15. And 5 less than 15 is 10. Okay? Now, I'm going to try to be quick here. Let me see. Jumbo. What? Ha. You didn't see that. You didn't see anything. Now, sometimes they're going to give you all of the frames filled in, but you have to figure out the rule. Well, I got to look at this is a tricky one. What's happening? Are my numbers getting bigger or smaller as they go? They're getting smaller. How much smaller are they getting each time they go? Well, 15, 14, 13, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 6, 5, 4, 3. Ooh, they were going down by 3 each time. So my rule would be minus, whoa, jumbo again, minus 3. Hopefully you wouldn't write yours that big. Okay, that's all we're learning today is our frames and arrows. So you'll do a few different pages working with that. During our work writing, our Write About Math, you have this question today. I'm going to read it to you. It says, Sarah had a collection or a group of stickers. She gave some stickers to her best friend, and then she had 12 stickers left. How many stickers might Sarah have started with? So basically, you are going to take a number. Do I know how many Sarah started with? Nope, because it just says she has a collection. So I don't know what she starts with. Then she's going to give. She's going to get rid of or subtract. Again, some stickers. I don't know, right? And then when she's all done, the one thing I do know is she has 12 stickers. Squeeze it in there. Okay, so all you have to do is make up a subtraction problem where your answer is 12. There are hundreds of different ways to show that. Okay? You can put your iPads away and come to the carpet for morning meeting. You guys are so great.